Hello dear students, this is the video of class 6 and in this video I will discuss chapter number 6 MS Word working with tables. Children, in the previous class I have already discussed about merging cells, steps for merging the cells in MS Word and splitting of cells and steps for splitting cells in MS Word. Okay, so today I will discuss some different topics. Today I will discuss performing calculations on data. Suppose you have created the table. Inside the table you can perform some calculation. You can do some mathematical operations. Second, we will discuss applying quick style to a table. You can have different styles so that your table its look will be impressive, its look will be beautiful. Now, performing calculations on data. We can perform calculations like finding some average of the numbers present in a row or a column. We can do some types of mathematical calculation. Understood? So let us see how to do, how to perform calculations on MS Word. First, you need to open MS Word. Suppose I've opened this MS Word. Okay, and I've created this table. Now I have to create some data. Suppose I have written some numbers. Suppose I have written this is the Hindi marks. This is the suppose this is English marks, and suppose it is math marks. Now here I have to calculate the total marks. Okay, so let me insert some marks. Now suppose I have inserted these 3 marks and I have to do calculation. I have to add all the marks in this total. Okay. Now what are the steps to do calculations in MS Word? So we can perform calculations like finding some average of the numbers present in a row or a column. So suppose this is the data and I have to do the addition. I have to add all the numbers so that I can get the total marks. So what is the first step? We click in the cell where we want to place the formula. I have to select the cells where I want to find the total. So I need to select this cell. I have already selected it. Now step 2. From the layout tab in the data group, click formula. So first you have to click on the layout tab, click on it. Now here you have to click on the formula. At the top right corner you can see FX is written here. This is the formula tab. You can click on it. Now a dialog box will open in front of you. In the formula text box, this is the formula text box. You have to type the desired formula or select from the given function and type. And then you have, after writing the formula, you have to click on OK. So what I want to do, I have to find the sum. So I've written the formula equal to sum left. Left means all the left values will be added. Click on OK. You can see in this way, children, we will find the sum. We will use the formula. In the same way, we will find the average and many more functions are available in MS Word. Now, the second topic is applying quick style to a table. So why we apply quick style to a table? So that if we want to apply a style to a table, so that it will look impressive. Our table will look beautiful. So that's why we will apply quick style to a table and it will look very beautiful. It will look impressive. So let us come to how you can, suppose this is the table which you have created. You have also inserted some data. You have used the formula. Okay. Now, how you will apply quick style to this table? Step 1, select the entire table. You have to select the entire table. So I have selected the entire table. You will click on this plus mark which is at the top left corner of this table, and the table will be selected. Now step number 2, what you have to do, you have to click on design tab. At the top you can see the menu bar: home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view, design and layout. So click on the design tab. Now you can see table styles are given here. There are many different styles of the table. You can select any one according to your requirement. And this is the more button. When you click here, many more styles of the table will be available in front of you. You can select any one according to your choice. Suppose I have selected this one. Now you can see our table is looking very beautiful. So we have many different styles in the table. We can select any one. Now this chapter is completed, children, and you need to do all the objective type questions. You have to solve it yourself, and I will send you the solution. I will also send the solution of this chapter, so you will complete it. So I hope, students, you have understood the topic nicely, and we will start chapter number 9 in the next class, that is QBasic. Okay, bye students, have a nice day.